Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and installation of a tempered glass screen protector that I bought for my Canon M50. It's my main shooting camera, so it has to endure a lot of bumps and scrapes, so I wouldn't want the screen to get scratched up, dinged up, or probably get damaged. So I decided to get this screen protector to protect it. I can't really remember how much I paid for this, but I'm going to put it in a video so you guys to check it out. So without further ado, I'm going to grab my Canon M50 and try and, well, install it. Yes, my trusty Canon M50. This camera has been a lifesaver. It's really been helpful. Believe me, if you do YouTube and you don't have a camera that has a fully articulating display, believe me, you need one. Because at first I actually got a Nikon D7100, which quickly turned out to be a terrible idea for YouTube. First of all, it couldn't do phase detection autofocus, and secondly, well, the screen did not fully articulate the way this one does. So which is actually priceless. It's awesome to see what you're recording while you're recording, especially if you're making a video of yourself. So too much talk, let's get to it. Okay, this is a 3-pack screen glass protector, so I can mess 2 up and get it right on the 3rd time. These are wet and dry wipes you use to clean the camera before there's dust absorber. Then yeah, the individual the 3 screen protectors. So I'm gonna be needing one now, so I'm gonna pick one of each. One. Then put this back in the case and set it aside. So it's, in terms of packaging, I would say it's packaged quite well, so nothing gets dinged up or damaged. So everything looks okay. Let's set this to the side and go into installation. Hopefully everything is in frame. I'm recording with my smartphone right now, so I can't really see what I'm recording. So I'm gonna place the camera down and let's first of all go with the wet wipes. The wet wipes is actually wet. There are some wet wipes you get that will be as dry as
dry wipes, and you're wondering which is dry and which is supposed to be wet. So I'm gonna give this a good clean to get every particle stuck in there to come loose. So I always like to keep this in here,
just in case I need to do a second wipe. Here's the dry wipe. Now that's done, I'm gonna get the dust absorber. Okay, I think I have to go over that with a dry wipe again. So hopefully all the dust is out. Now I'm gonna get a screen protector. Okay, first of all I'm gonna see how well it fits so I know what I'm working with. this is the front, and you peel this off and lay it on the display. So oh my, seems I got a dot spot. How did that happen? Maybe it was left on the camera, but as you can see, I clearly missed the spot. Other than this, would have been a fantastic job. Seems okay. Let's see if the camera, if it can lock in place. Oh, the camera doesn't lock, which means this screen protector is too thick. It's so thick it wouldn't allow the camera to lock. See, it doesn't click in place, which means if you can see, the camera doesn't, the screen doesn't sit flush. It's still okay, but you know, that is what it is. Other than that, I think I have a battery on the inside. I'm gonna grab a battery and put it in so we can see. So you can see if this little speck of dust is, well, imposing, if I put it that way. So this is it. You can barely even see it when looking at the display. You see, it's there. If you look at it, you definitely see that it's there, but it's not that big of a problem. For me, I think I can live with the display not sitting fully flush. See, it still works. I can live with that for me. As you can see, it works pretty well. It works really well actually. Okay guys, that's the unboxing and installation of the tempered glass screen protector. Maybe if this becomes much of an issue, I might try and install another one, probably to see if there'll be any difference. If maybe I screwed up the installation somewhat, just to see if I could get it to sit flush. But if that doesn't work, then I'll surely let you guys know. Thanks for watching. This is Quick Tech. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a good one.